How to check your TransUnion credit report online for free. Want to see your credit report for free? Here's how to check your TransUnion credit report online quickly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through how to access your TransUnion credit report online for free so you can stay on top of your credit health. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official TransUnion website. Step 2. Click on Get My Free Credit Report or similar wording. Step 3. Create a free account by entering your personal details like name, address, and social security number. Step 4. Verify your identity by answering security questions. Step 5. Once verified, you'll be able to view your full TransUnion credit report online for free. Step 6. Download or save a copy for your records. Quick tip: check your credit report at least once a year to catch errors or suspicious activity early. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment your questions below. Thanks for watching.